So what is adaptive bed meshing and how do you turn it on for your K2 Plus or even your K2 Pro? Well, it's actually pretty simple, and you can even do it from the touchpad on your printer. So adaptive bed meshing is actually a really useful feature on your 3D printer, and you should be using it. It allows the print head to only probe where you're going to be printing. So if you're printing a small print that's nowhere near your bed size, then why would you waste all the time to probe the entire bed when you could just probe where you're going to print? So how do you enable it? Well, there's actually not much you need to do because Creality has pretty much enabled it from the factory as long as you have the right settings in place. So on the print page, right before you send it to the printer, there's an option for print calibration. You'll want to have that turned on. And on the touch screen, there's also an option for enabling the CFS and print calibration. Use adaptive bed mesh, you want to have that on. I know what some of you may think, oh, when I have that on, I get a pressure advanced calibration or I get a flow calibration. Well, that's because you also have these settings turned on. If you turn these off, it will only do the adaptive bed mesh. So you go to your print settings right here on the touch screen, and you see these two settings right here that are turned on, one for pressure advanced, the other for flow calibration. You just simply turn those off. And then you make sure you have calibration selected whenever you send your print, or whenever you select your print from the touchscreen, and your printer will do the adaptive bed mesh. Well, I hope that helped. See you in the next one.